What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. I'm a moderator at Option Goats Trading LLC. That's right. We are an actual LLC out of the state of Wisconsin. None of us are licensed financial advisors, but we do have a really cool bot, and we also have really cool traders that have cool ideas that sometimes, might work. Yes. This is the swing recap for the week of September 27th. And man, we had some good trades last week. I have to admit, last week was actually a good week, given that that the market was going red for a majority of the past 3 to 4 weeks. But the number one word that we've been looking at is value. We've been trying to find some value. Now, when I say value, I'm talking about finding where the market is somewhat going in a direction that we can make some sense of it, right? And I'll go over a couple of the plays that we had last week that show that. But first, don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the screen right down here. Here's our website, Option Goats Trading. If you scroll down right here, if you hit this join free, it'll take you to the Discord server. If you sign up for the OG Prime membership, you get the Prime chat unlocked, and you also get to use the bot. And you also get to see the mod trade ideas and the trader trade ideas and the other members trade ideas as well. Now, Jim, how much is the monthly membership? Well, I'm glad you asked that question because it's typically $60. Okay. But if you use the code SPRING30, looks just like this, you'd be able to get 3 months for $30 a month for 3 months, right? So 3 months, $30 a month if you use code SPRING30. All righty. Here's the website. Don't forget to go to that. Let's go to the Discord server. And then also this is what our YouTube looks like right here. Option Goats Trading. This is this video right here. And not that this is a lot of videos. It hasn't really been like a lot of videos yet. But right now, the video that we're doing right now is the 28th video. So if we hit 100, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I might give out a thing. You know, we get maybe 10, 20, 30 views per video. We're actually starting to get a bit more generally. So if I go to videos here, we're starting to get a fairly good amount of videos on the swing recap videos. Some do have 6, some do have 4, some have 20. And some are longer, some are not longer. I used to do this video a lot longer, and I was like, I should probably make them a little shorter. I don't want to take too much. Some of these does not take a whole 30 minutes to summarize a weekly recap. But make sure to hit like and subscribe. Go back to Option Goats Trading. Don't forget to hit the credit spread crash course over here, and then also the debit spread crash course down here. If you want to see some of the TA I look at when I'm looking at the SPY and just using the 50 and the 200 SMA, again, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. If you do need financial help, please contact a financial professional. All right, so let's go to the chat. Let's look at the profits that we had last week. Oh, somebody just posted profits this morning. Nice, Nas. Hell yes. Okay, so last week, 9/27. Let's see here. Here we go. Warren came back from vacation. I'm not sure how active he's going to be, but he did have a couple plays. Looks like this one was a Tesla play. Came out 116% there. $1,000, 471% on DLTR on Warren. Money Heist making SPX 80%. Nice job, Nas. And then also SPX as well right there. I did receive my dividends, got my PDT dividends, which came out to, the hell is that? Let's do the math. I got paid 158. Wow, God, wow, it's going up. That's awesome. I got paid $158.93 on my PDT shares. If you don't know what PDT is, if you do not know what PDT is, just DM me. And I'll tell you all about it. Those are my dividends that I got paid for the month of September. So super happy about it. We were green on X. I'll go over my play that I had on AMC. It was a purely YOLO play the day before expiration and came out profitable there. Oh, Frankie got in on it, bought 2. I should have bought 2, crushed it. And Ghost ending green on Amazon. Hell yeah. Oh, that was for today. Today's Monday, guys. So, all right, so let's go over some of the plays. Did we have that? Yes. Do we still have the SPY spreads? I'm not going to go over it. If you need to see the SPY spreads, I went over them last week. I've been holding them for quite some time still. SPY is still going down. Therefore, I'm still going to be down on these positions, but I still have to like October 20th. It's the end of October. So I'm waiting for the bounce. I'll go over it again if we get a bounce. If we don't, I'll just give it a mention. Like as the following, or as the before mentioned. All right, so let's go to the play. So let's go to X. So what did we do here? X, we sold the vertical put spread on X. Strike was 22.50 and selling the 22.50 put and buying the 22 put for 11.5. So let's check it out. Pulling up X. If you have a question on the bot, go to last week's video. I went over the stocks breakout bot. If you need to see what the bot looks like, the other one, go to the week before that. Let's see. Let's go to X. There's our play. There's our spreads. Excuse me, spread 22 and 22.50. Right now it's in the middle, so we're okay on it. It goes to 11.5. It's got quite some time. We're just waiting for a pop to 23 or 24, and we can collect the premium. It was a lot of premium. 28. Max loss was 22, so it really wasn't that bad. All right, the next play we have is AMC buying a call, 39 call, 10-1, $9, buying the dip on AMC. This is what it looked like. So this was on Thursday. Shit. There we go. So this was Thursday. Right here. So we bought it probably like right, actually it was more like right here. So we bought it like right here, and then so this is what it looked like. So it flipped to green. I was up 50%. Then it was up 94, 106, 116, 200, 228, 261, 350. We ended up being 350% on the play and got as high as 916% and made $75. So super happy with that play. There was another member that made a lot more on that because they made double more on that, which was awesome. It's great. There's nothing that makes me more happy than seeing another member make money. So that made me super happy. So there's the AMC play. And then the last but not least, I bought shares of Prague. Yes, the one in Austria. Just kidding. This is purely just a buy stock and hope that we make money in the future. So Prague, I bought 10 shares at an average of 182. Jim, why do you drop so low money? Look, guys, when it comes to swing and day trading, I have a $28,000 account. So it's not like I have the biggest account, right? But I have a sizable one. It's mostly PDT shares that pay me a dividend. And I like to trading actively like this, day trading, swing trading is volatility trading, in my opinion. I don't know if that's a term that people use. But if you're going to put money in trading that's very volatile, which day trading, swing trading is volatile, I wouldn't put a lot of money from your account into that. That's how you would lose it. So yeah, I only spent like $20. Why? Because I'm not going to spend more than $20 on a penny stock play that I think is actually going to flip green. So, you know, that's kind of where I'm at. If this breaks to $4, maybe if it goes to $5 or $6, that'd be really, really cool. But again, I got shares because I didn't want to go with options because they've got the expiration date. The shares I have are like $1. Oh, I don't know, $1.67, $1.70. So we're up $1, $1 or $2 right now. I'll be watching this, not closely. In fact, probably not at all, but I am going to keep an eye on it in my portfolio. If we end up on a green day, I might be cashing out. So, but other than that, that's about it for the plays that we had. Let's go over the market real quick so last Friday was basically the first day of October. Today is October 4th. Let's take a look at the SPY for a second. Let's take a look at it on the daily. Let's do that, shall we? Here's the daily on the SPY. Okay, let's get rid of all my mumbo jumbo. We're approaching the 200 SMA. With winter upon us, and today being October 4th, I am a seller if we hit this 200 SMA. It's 1 month out of the year that if we get close to the 200 SMA, I'm a seller. And it's October. So happy Halloween. I would have to be selling into the 200 SMA on the SPY in order to make my position favorable. Now, Biden has an infrastructure bill that has been paused to avoid a government shutdown, and natural gas is skyrocketing. Here's Boyle. That's natural gas. This was natural gas a couple years ago. I think there's a split here. There's a split somewhere here. I think this stock gets split. Anyways, regardless, it was at $20 over here. Now it's back at 86 because winter is upon us and factories are shutting down and surging utility bills, electric bills going up. So watching Boyle, watching SPY, we're also watching the Qs. At the moment, we are red. Might be going even redder. Oh, there's Qs. We're going towards the 200 SMA. Okay. So we'll be watching that. IWM coming down with it, but still staying in the range. And the Dow Jones, same thing as the SPY, but tech is getting slaughtered. Right now, energy is green. That is where we were finding value in this market. Don't be caught red in your positions. Find value. If you're shorting tech, that's great. Just know that, you know, if you're playing to the downside ever, I mean, right now would probably be the best time to do it. But typically in fast drops like this, day trades are the best way to do it, in which case I'm not a huge fan of day trading. So I'd rather get into something that is going to be the opposite of the market if I know the market's going to go to shit, right? So watching SPY, getting close to the 200 SMA. This is kind of where we're at, okay? I still got the SPY spreads. I got the X spread. I made a play today. I won't go over it because it's going to be on next week's video, but it's going to be in something where I have value in it. Okay, guys, keep your money safe, put it in something. SPY is down. So if there's some stock you're like, yo, and I was going to park this $1,000 in some stock that I really wanted, buy it. If it's Tesla, great. If it's Apple, great. If it's whatever, just put your money in something safe because odds are it's down from the market being down. What better time to buy the dip is to buy the dip for your 65-year-old self. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM me. You can also send an email on our Option Goats website right down here. Ooh, here it is. Name, just all you got to do is put your name, email, subject, your message, and then we can take a look for you. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our video. Oh, and then the monthly winner of September. Hold on a second. I didn't. Oh man, I always almost forget. Always almost forget. Okay. Here's AES. Got in on Lucid. I watched him. Bought a Lucid 924 24 call lotto. Up 15%. Up 30%. 80%. 120%. 180%. 240%. And out. Let's freaking go. Nice job, AES. Longtime member of the Discord and a great member. Always appreciate what you do and what you post in here, AES. He is going to win the monthly prize, which will be $50, or he can get a shirt. So I will message AES on that and make sure that he gets his prize. Thank you, AES, for being a member, and thank you for everything you do. Thank you guys for watching this video. Catch me on next week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this YouTube right here. And be safe, be smart with your trades, and save your money, protect your money. Thank you so much, and have a great day.